There are several options out there such as plastidip, even using balloon, but I'm going to use another method. Welcome to Big Song Hobbies. I recently converted my Element RC Enduro Sendero into a low CG build using the Gspeed V3 Chassis. I did not reuse the stock battery tray as I would have to drill 4 holes, 2 holes on each side of the chassis. Instead, I decided to mount my smaller 1500 milliamp 3S LiPo battery to one side of the electronics tray slider using the Velcro. It's a clean solution, but it takes up real estate. I'm now having to install the ESC and the receiver on the other side of the electronic tray slider, and as such, I won't be able to reuse the stock electronics box, which is waterproof. My ESC and the servo is already waterproof, but my receiver is not. So today, I'm going to waterproof my receiver. There are several options out there such as plastidip, even using balloon, but I'm going to use another method that is more reliable than a balloon and less messy than plastidip. Here's what I'll be using. It's a silicon modified conformal coating. It's normally used for electronics board, therefore it can be used safely on the RC electronics. There's no mess as it dries fast and makes your electronics waterproof when it's dried. So let's get started. My FlySky FS-GR3E receivers is held by 4 tiny Phillips head screws. I'll be using PH00 Phillips screwdriver to open it up. Once you have the 4 screws removed, you can take board out, lift it out of the case. When the receiver board is out of the casing, and you can start coating both sides of the receiver with conformal coating. When the conformal coating is dried, then the receiver will be waterproof. You can remove the connectors, but I'm going to keep them there as it was suspended in the air and help with drying. Also, I can use them to hold the receiver while I coat both sides. Start with one edge, then finish coating that side, then move to the other side, then I'll let it dry before reinstalling it back. Hope you found the information useful. Please like and subscribe and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching Big Song Hobbies.